Tired of your Kvcore SMS campaigns hitting a dead end? Let's troubleshoot common SMS errors and get those messages delivered. First, let's dive into your Kvcore dashboard and head to the Marketing tab. Then Smart Campaigns. This is where you'll see an overview of your campaigns and any error notifications. Click on the specific campaign that's giving you trouble to access its details. Now, pinpoint the error messages at insufficient credits. Top up your account invalid phone number. Double-check the contact's details. Opt out. Respect the contact's wishes and remove them from the campaign. Navigate to your Kvcore settings to check your SMS credit balance and review any blocked numbers. Ensure you have sufficient credits and that the recipient isn't on your blocked list. Review your message content. Avoid spammy language and always include an opt-out option, like reply stop to unsubscribe. This keeps you compliant and improves deliverability. Still stuck? Kvcore's Help Center is your best friend. Search for the specific error code or contact support for personalized assistance. They have detailed guides and responsive support teams to help you out. With these simple steps, you'll be back on track, delivering effective SMS campaigns and maximizing your engagement. Don't let those errors hold you back. Get those messages sent.